update for you guys on the windshield flex. Alright, so my roof, as you can see, I deadened the hell out of it. We also have a 4-inch steel plate that's tack welded in across here to help hold this tight, along with this being reinforced. It's rock hard now, so hopefully I ain't gonna have that nasty freaking clacking sound. It also broke the welds all across here, so that's all fixed and all deadened, and it should get down pretty good. Alright guys, so after I turned off the camera, I said screw it and added a third layer. So yeah, this is rock hard. Yeah, that sounds beast. Hell yeah. Looking damn good. Sounding damn good. Alright guys, so this is going to be the first test fire with the roof done. We're going to play some Gargoyle Serenade.
Scraping the pavement with his knuckles, gorilla like with it. Run a background check. Bet you they say he lived it.
Yeah, man, that's definitely brutal. Let's try it slow. That's what everybody keeps saying. Alright guys.